Hello, viewers. Today we'll be talking about basic structure, the basic framework of an HTML document. So first thing first, you open your text editor like me here. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So after opening it, you click on Shift then exclamation mark, then click on enter. Then it will display the basic structure of an HTML file. Before you do this, you must have make sure that you have saved your file with a .html extension like I did here. So this is the basic structure of an HTML. First thing first, there's this doc type HTML. All what this does is to tell the browser that this is an HTML document. This doc type means document type and HTML. So after that, this is not actually a tag. It's just a way of telling the browser that this is an HTML tag or HTML file. Then after this doc type HTML, the next thing there is an HTML tag. The HTML tag embodies all the other tags. Like this is the opening tag of the HTML tag, and at the end of the document, like line 12, you can see the closing tag. The difference between an opening tag and a closing tag is this slash, this backward slash at the beginning, forward slash, I think, at the beginning of the closing tag. So the HTML tag here contains an attribute called lang. It defines the language of an element. What it basically does is that it sets the language of this file document to EN, which stands for English. I can change this to another language like India, China, Russia, depends. So since I'm programming with English, so set to EN, which is English. Then after the HTML tag, the next on the line is the head tag. The head tag contains all metadata and titles of your document. The first one here is meta share set. All it does is that this attribute declares the page character encoding, like the encoding of the page. Like in computer science, we have zeros and ones encoding. So this is just what it does. You set the character set to UTF-8. This is a standardized encoding system. Then after this first meta tag, the next one is meta HTTP equal. This attribute is named HTTP because all the allowed values are names of particular HTTP headers. So it defines the pragma directive is like kind of security encoding tool. Then context ELH. Then the second meta tag or the third meta tag here is the name meta tag. This attribute defines the name of a piece of document level metadata, like set the name to viewport and content with device, like making the file portable on your computer screen. This is what this last metadata does. So after that metadata, the next tag there is the title. The title here contains like the name of the name of the name you want like the HTML file to display as like the title, the name at the up of the of your HTML browser. Like when you go to Google www.google.com, you see Google there. So this here is actually said this document, this title here. So like I've already hosted this file online. I've already hosted it on my Google Chrome. So I go there and check it now, and you see, okay, I refresh and you see that the name here is document. So if I come here to my title tag and then change it to the name of my YouTube channel, which is Knowledge Camp, then I save it. Then I come back here. You can see it has automatically changed to Knowledge Camp. So like if you come here now, you can see this Hawin H22711. That is basically that is how the naming is done. Like through the title tag, can change the title tag to any tag of my choice. So this is just how it works. Then after the title tag, after the title tag, we close the head tag. Though in some occasion, we can put our style inside the head tag, like the style attribute, how we want our web page to look like. Maybe I decide to write then body and background color blue. Okay, come back. You can see the style tag has automatically changed the background of my HTML file to blue. So we can also add other tags to this head tag, but logically it ends at the title tag because we have CSS to do the styling for us. So after the head tag, the next tag we have is the body tag. The body tag contains everything we want to be displayed on this HTML file. You can see now that nothing is displayed here. This is because we have not included anything inside the body tag. So come here and put my first tag, P tag, which is a paragraph tag, and then I write this text here, introduction to HTML in full. Okay, then I come to my style to like edit it. I think I use capital letter here, change it to small letter. Though HTML is a forgiving programming language, but I just want to change it for some reasons. So I come here and I write inside of it font size of our text. Let me say 40 pesos. Then control save. Come to our listing. Then you can see it here. Introduction to HTML in full. So this is just how it works, and I can use justify content. So uh, mm, align items center, align items center, okay. Then refresh it, and it's align. I think this is the attribute I'm supposed to use. Okay, introduction to HTML in full. So this is just this is just how it works. End tag we include inside the body automatically displays inside our HTML file. Like if I come to H1 here, then type this this YouTube channel, and it teaches you on different topics on computer science and mathematics, and come here. Can see it displays here. So anything inside the body tag automatically displays inside. And this H1 tag is a heading tag. H1 has the highest precedence. There are also other ones like H1 to H6. H2 is the second one. Uh, they are right inside. Please, please subscribe to my YouTube YouTube channel and save it. You can then come here. You can see it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is just how it works. There's nothing much to learn about the body tag. Anything wants to be displayed inside your HTML file, you write it inside this body tag. Then after the body tag, you close it, then you close your HTML document. So this is just the basic structure of an HTML file. So lastly, I write another tag. IL is italic, an italic tag, and then I write inside, please like and share my YouTube video if you like it. if you like it, and add your suggestion under the comment. So I save it, then come here. You can see that these words are written in Italy. So this is just the basic introduction to HTML tags. So we have the document HTML, the HTML tag, then the head tag, close the head tag, the body tag, then close the body tag, and the HTML tag. The difference between the opening tag of and closing tag is this slash here. You can see at this H1 there's no slash, but at the closing tag there's a slash. And you can add attribute to an HTML document through the opening tag, just like we set language to en, the way we set name metadata, the name to viewport, and so that is just how it works. There's no much thing to learn there. With those basic structure, we can do anything with an HTML document. So if you like my video, like and subscribe to it. And the next video, I'll be teaching you about hundreds of different HTML tags and what you can do with them. So set your notification on and subscribe to my YouTube video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for watching to the end. Thank you.